Chinese food.
I've cooked some Chinese food before, CM. But the real question is, CM.
The first fucking link.
Not Josh. I scrolled down, and it said the same thing.
Okay, fuck that shit. No.
When are we
Bro,
cooking, CM?
I thought that was what you were talking about.
No.
It's not what the fuck.
No. Nah, it's people. It was a joke. People.
I'm just saying. You put
cereal.
mud. What was it called? The mud line, mud falcon in the same context as a poop shoot.
Yeah, true, dude. I pour my milk before the cereal.
I listen to
What?
many comedians, bro.
Oh,
That's why I call it the mud bait, the poop shoot. But the mud
Oh
falcon,
my
it's
gosh.
literally, like the radio tower, like the operators, they say, hey, we take craps and they land like obviously like where they're supposed to land, but we call them mud falcons.
When out of a cooking HMM, is that what you
Poor choice of
saying?
word. Holy fuck.
I said, when are we cooking?
I guarantee
Exactly,
they don't
Steven.
know what it means on the online. Okay, these are.
Yo, this pasta is pretty
And now
fucking
I
good,
learned
dude.
something new tonight. Like holy fuck.
Okay, Camel, do you have your makeshift whisk ready?
I have it, dude.
Do you have your butter ready?
I think so. I mean, I got it pretty much cubed up.
Okay, good. So,
Is it time?
it is time, my friend. We about to make this birthday butter sauce. You hear that?
Hell yeah, dude.
We about to make this
Wait, are we
birthday
gonna need the
butter
lemon right
sauce.
now? Are we gonna need the lemon? Should we get the lemon ready?
Not yet. After we
Not yet.
do all the butter.
All right.
Yes. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna make you put 1 cube in at a time.
Okay.
And now here's where it gets tricky. You
I
can't
don't know,
stop
I'm
whisking.
looking up the right time.
So you have to keep on whisking and add your.
Don't stop whisking?
Do not stop whisking. You have to constantly whisk.
Okay.
So put in 1 cube at a time. Make sure it's like fully incorporated. And then
add the next.
add the next, yes.
All right. Looking at the right time for us to cook.
For the
Alright, I'm
right
going for it.
time.
I'm going for it.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be great.
Now just keep in mind you'll kind of have to do it rather quickly as well.
Like whisk it around.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it would have been easier in a smaller pan. Now that you mention it,
Yeah.
because there's too much surface area for me to cover.
Well, what you can do is you can pour it into the pot. We can continue from there. What?
I'm already in this deep.
You're in this.
Dude.
I mean,
Yo, what the?